Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and in this video I'll talk about dictionaries in Python. First I'll go to my Jupyter notebook here and go to this notebook folder. Here I made a file called dictionary intro, so I'll go to this file, and I already wrote down some stuff for us to save some time. Previously in this course I have discussed list. Here, what is dictionary? Dictionary holds key and value pair. In dictionary you will see the pair of keys and values. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. So in dictionary, items will be ordered. You can access any value of the dictionary by its index or key value, and it's changeable. Like after making a dictionary you can add new values, new key value pair, and remove a key value pair, and it does not allow duplicate. Like you can't add two values with same key in a dictionary. For list, it was ordered, changeable, and it allows duplicates. Like if you see for list, like if I write down here list items are ordered, changeable, and it allows duplicates. Like for a list it allows duplicate. If I make a list here, L equals to, and I showed you already how to make a list, and I run this, see there's no error. Like it allows duplicate values. If I print L, it allows duplicate values, but for dictionary it doesn't allow. So how you can make a dictionary? Like using this second bracket, D1 equals to second bracket. There's nothing inside this, so it's an empty dictionary. If I run this, and after this if I just print the type of this dictionary, like D1, so you see class dict, so it's a dictionary, but there's nothing inside it, so it's empty. After that I just created a dictionary called channel name, and you see key and value pair. The first entry is key, that's name, and there's a colon, and after that it's the value TUTORIEX. Then there's a comma for another key value pair. So key is type and value is technical. After that owner equals to my name. Alright, so I'm gonna run this cell, and I can see the output here, name, type. That's how you can see the output of a dictionary. So inside a dictionary you can add many data types. I added here this stuff like that. I can add integers. If I copy paste here, and here maybe I'm gonna add rating. It's inside a string, rating equals to 4. Alright, and then if I print that, you see rating added, right? So it's not like we only need to add strings, we can add any values, boolean, strings, float, anything. Dictionary inside dictionary, I can even put a dictionary inside a dictionary. Like if I just copy paste this right here, and in the place of owner, if I make another dictionary, I can make dictionaries with second bracket, right? So maybe I'll write first name colon, and there will be a quote, so, and comma, last name, quote, and the end of dictionary, right? So you see I have added dictionary inside a dictionary. So if I now print the channel, you see I need to run this cell first. So now you can see channel name TUTORIEX, type technical, and in owner the value is a dictionary. Alright, add key and value pair. So how you can add a key value pair? Here I have already shown you the copy pasting part, so we're not gonna do that every time. So how we can add? If I say channel, inside this third bracket there will be key value, right? Like if I give channel, what can I say, like subscriber maybe, and if I the equals to 100, it will be added inside the dictionary. So if I print channel again, you see subscriber wasn't there before, right? Now it's added. So that's how we can add a key and value pair. Delete from a dictionary, so the subscriber added, right? Let's see, I want to delete the rating, so you use this del keyword, del name of the dictionary, third bracket, and the key value. Okay, so key is type rating, and after I run this cell, it's deleted. How we can check that? I'll see the output of channel. See, there's no rating here, right? So that's how we delete value from a dictionary. And here's some basic functions of dictionary, like update function. Update function is nothing, just how you can add new key value pair, right? So here I deleted rating, so how I can update it again? So channel dot update. Inside update we need to pass a dictionary, channel, sorry, rating, right? Rating colon 4. So it's updated. How we can check that? We'll run channel, see, rating is back again. It was deleted here and it's back again. Another function is copy. Copy function is used when you are copying the elements and all the data of a dictionary into another dictionary. Like if I use a dictionary demo equals to dot copy, it will copy all the stuff of channel into demo. So if I print demo here, so you see all the stuff that was inside the channel dictionary now inside demo. Now items is how you see the items of the dictionary. Like if I do print channel dot items, you see all the items, all the key value pairs inside the dictionary. And keys, if you only want to print the keys of a dictionary, you can do print channel dot keys. Alright, dict name, type, owner, subscriber, rating, right? So that's how we can do all the stuff with dictionaries. And let's create another dictionary with the numbers. Maybe I only created a dictionary with strings, right? So let's create a dictionary, maybe 1 and colon, maybe it's a red color. That's how we can use, key value integer. 2, maybe I'll gonna give green. We're not supposed to, I can even give it in unordered format, like we don't need to do 1, 2, then 3. Maybe I gonna give 100 equals to maybe yellow, right? So then you can do print, see, 1 red, 2 green, 100 yellow. So that's how you can use these simple functions of dictionary. And if you wanna check out more functions, you can go and search on the internet. And this is the concept of dictionary, and you will see more uses on the future, or you can try it out on your own. The update function here, I've shown you, right, that how you can add key value pair. This is the shortest way, but update function, it has its own use. Like if you wanna update 3, 4, more than 1 values together, you can use this function. You can see it's a dictionary format, right? Instead of doing it in a loop, you can just use update function and do it at once. Alright, so this is the concept of dictionary, and next videos will discuss tuples, sets, etc. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe this channel, and if there's any doubt, you can ask me on Instagram.